am Alejandro, and this is my family trip. My mom's family. At the top of the family are my grandma Isabel and my grandpa Antonio. In the middle of the family are my uncle Paco, my uncle Sebas, my aunt Gloria, my uncle Ferran, my aunt Tonia, my aunt Mari, my mom Beatriz, my dad Jordi. This is Mary Jay, my cousin, and this is me. My dad's family. At the top of the family are my grandma Maria and my grandpa Serafín. In the middle of the family are my dad Jordi and my mom Beatriz. This is me. My cousin. My cousin has 9 years old. She likes play with friends. My mom. My mom has 14 years old. She likes fried eggs. My aunt Gloria. My aunt Gloria has 49 years old. She likes reading books. Thanks for your attention.